All right, let's see where we at on Hinge. Quick little Hinge segment. Oh, we got a like. Your smile. Oh, she like my smile. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ah. Oh, chat. Like, I really like, bro. Like, I don't even be like, come on, bro. I don't even be doing nothing, bro. I really just be me, bro. Like, I really just be me, bro. At the end of the day, Cheyenne. This year, I really want to travel and see the world. Tricky ISW? She straight? Oh, she from Hawaii? Short-term relationship open to long? She wants some meat too? Okay. Okay. She mad close to her face. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the big girls. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the big girls, but I'm got to pass. I think we got to pass. Give her the AZ. Yeah, facts. Ah! Come on. Oh, yeah, we got cooked. We're cooked with our ELO chat. It might be a cooked ELO day. Goodness gracious. I thought I deleted this one. You thought you deleted this one, but it's your first picture. Come on, bro. You're not fooling me. You want attention. Come on, bro. As your first picture? Oh, yeah, AZ, you know you on that, though. You know you on that. She goes to ASU? Oh, yeah. And she's trying to figure out her dating goals? Yeah. It's not your girl, chat. It's just your turn. How do I tell you? She drink and she smoke? Oh, yeah, it's just your turn with this one. It's just your turn with this one. I already see the writing on the wall. She go to Arizona State by Brad and Chad from Sigma Beta Phi. Already done had her, bro. How do I tell you? GG's. GG's. I was not. I done told you I like Big BBW, bruh. She's a big girl. That's what I'm saying. That's all you, bruh. Amanda. Pass. Come on, give me good. Goodness gracious. That's gotta be the way she posing. Bro, done took up the whole counter. Bro, you should find some Asian hugs for Japan. Yeah, bro. I'm already knowing, bro. That joint, jeez Louise. Yeah, AZ, this all you, bro. This your type of player builds. Come on, AZ, this your type of player build right here, buddy. This all you. This your player build. Shoot, at this point, I need to just give you my Hinge. Atsy? Okay, she look like she kind of like out the way kind of girl. This not a bad player build. Hold on, we might have some talent. My simple pleasures is nature. Gazer. Shoot, bro. Whoa. No, get her gone. I didn't want her. They all got curly hair, bro. Facts rules. Full Sail University. Spanish and English. Okay. I'm weirdly attracted to intelligence. Shoot, I'm like, chat. I mean, like, I'm probably one of the smartest streamers, at least in the WL community. I gotta be one of the most intelligent streamers in this community. I got to. You know what I'm saying? Unusual skills, staying in, and she's a homebody. Well, that's W's. What do you mean cap? How is that cap? How is that cap? Come on, bruh. Weirdly attracted to intelligence. Shoot. If you are looking for daily fun facts, hit me up. PBM had a 4.2 GPA out of 4.5. Give him his meat back. You would finesse his way into Kai's new house. What? So you saying because I didn't finesse because I didn't I didn't commit breaking and entering into another house? I didn't. Come on, bro. Oh, this is a bigger. This is a big. Torta, 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 torta. Not for me. Crystal. Oh, yeah, she's one of those. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I already see this one. I already see the write on the wall with this one, chat. She's crazy, and she expects you to spend money. I can tell by these. Look, together we could get drinks. Come on, bro. I didn't even read that, and I already know. She's from Chicago, too? Oh, yeah, it's clipped. Yeah, it's clipped with this one. Look at this. And she in the club. Why is she bending over like that? Who you tooting it up for? Casper? Come on, bruh. Going to the gym. Shout out to you. I want someone who can get wasted and be dumb with me. Oh, goodness. How old is she? 21? Yeah, she gonna get at least 10 more bodies before she decides to settle down. Figuring out my dating goals. Yeah, she's gonna rack up at least 10 more. Shout out to her though, but I'm gonna have to pass. What the heck? This is a crazy first picture, Alejandra. This is a crazy first picture. Are you getting piped? Are you riding somewhere right now? They took a picture? What is going on? This your first picture? How would your dad feel if he saw this? My greatest strength is running my mouth. 21, student at Arizona State. Why am I not shocked? I'm always right. Oh, and she's got a whole red room? Yeah, she got an OF. Oh, yeah, this girl definitely got an OnlyFriends. This girl definitely got an OnlyFriends. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see it. I'm already seeing it. I'm known for collab. Because I know you got an OF. No. Oh, ew. I mean, ew. What the? Bro, what? What is my ELO? What is my ELO today, chat? What is my ELO today? What is this? She look like a man. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is going on? My ELO's so cooked, chat. No. Okay, Leslie. She look kind of normal. This is the first one I got. We gotta finally get a normal. Wait, is that a hickey? Yeah, she's a bop. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. As soon as I thought I saw Marvel and Star Wars, I was like, okay, we got something. Then I see that. Come on, bro. Everybody in the marching band done had this. Look sushi and shopping. You expect me to trick? She's expecting a trick? Come on, bro. This is so clipped. Oh yeah, AZ, this right here. That's all you, buddy. Yeah, AZ, that's all you, bucko. Ha ha. That photo could have been old. Nah, bro. It gets to a point, bro. You don't. Come on, bro. You posting that you got a hickey? I can't take you serious. That's a fix and flip, bro. Shorty a fix and flip. It's a big one. 21 long term. If you can guess how many tattoos I really have, first round is on me. If you can guess how many tattoos I really have. Well, seeing that you got 2 tongue piercings, I'm gonna go ahead and guess 25. That'd be my guess. Bro said pre-0. There's no way this girl doesn't have tats. There's no way this girl doesn't have tats. She gives me the type to do like patchwork tats. Cool off it. Mariah. Oh, this girl looks insane. I ain't gonna lie, she looked like the type of girl to chase you around your house with a knife. Because you said hello to a girl and the girl said hello back. I'm already peeping it. This girl's insane. I won't shut up about plants. We'll get along if you love women. Shoot. I'm a male feminist. Too easy. Too easy. Got him with that Jason the Ween Riz. Goodness gracious. That's why I love them BBWs. Ain't too many in they DMs competing. Bro, you on a day side, 8% of these others gonna be BBW. No. You just started, more or less. This is it. This a big, this a thick woman. You know what I'm saying? Now, chat, I appreciate all player bills. It just depends on what vibe I'm feeling right now. You know what I'm saying? I can work with this. Ain't bad. Church, typical Sunday. Church brunch, R&B while setting for the week, finishing off with cuddles with my puppy while watch our favorite shows. She's 26. She's 5'4"? She's compact. This compact thickness, chat. I thought she was taller. No way, she's 5'4". I don't know, chat. She's definitely given, I'm looking for a basketball player or look like you play basketball. A man who knows what he wants and is honest. Also for some good barbecue. My greatest strength, communication skills, sense of humor. That's cap. Girls aren't funny. Listening to really understand and being open-minded. I like this fit though. This is a cool fit. She would flatten me out. There's a whole lot of dump in that trunk. I ain't gonna front. There's a whole lot of that trunk. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This a big body Benz. This might be a G-Wagon. We don't know if we say G-Wagon. Wide body heli? Wide body Hellcat? This gotta be like a wide body Hellcat or something like that. Shoot. We'll shoot. Hey, shoot or shoot, right? Glad I'm tall. It gives she want a 6-foot guy. Nah, it definitely does. Savi, it definitely does. Education skills, sense of humor, listening to really understand and being open-minded. That's her greatest strength. Hold on. Let me see the prompts. I like saying stuff to the prompts, chat. That's good game. Honesty and barbecue on me. Easy. Layup. You gotta say let me riz you nicely. You want me to go and say let me riz you nicely. Y'all don't want me to win. I'm seeing it now. I'm seeing it now. Y'all don't want me to find my auntie. Y'all don't want me to find auntie. She want me no cap. Luz. Chat, y'all liking the Luz? I don't know how we feel about the Luz. Teach me something about you. Figuring out my dating goals. The London Huz. My love language is physical touch. I'm ready to touch. All I ask is that you smell good. See, all her pictures is mad blurry, so I can't really. This is her clearest picture. She don't look bad though. And like, she don't look bad. Luz don't look bad. Why you flip me off? Easy. First off, start using Uber Eats. If she got too many selfies, she's bigger. Ooh, see, that's true. That's true. Oh, well, speak of the devil. Goodness gracious, them joints is hanging. Bro said, ooh wee. Hey, Z, if you don't calm down, you little freaky frog. Yeah, that's a big one right here. But she don't look bad. Like, she don't look bad, honestly. She's not a bad looking big girl. I wish I could just send all of these to AZ, bruh, because he be fiending for the BBWs, bruh. This right here, now I'm saying she don't look bad, but she's just not, you know what I'm saying? It's just not my speed. That's not what I'm feeling right now. Rain, come again another day. Try to get some variety up in here. Does she have a face tat? Oh, she's crazy. Yeah, she likes scammers and swipers. I'm looking for a trick. Bro, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. At least she honest about it, though. At least she honest about it. She said, I'm looking for a trick. All right, chat. And she's Christian. Bro, you can't make this up. Come on, bruh. Chat, keep it a buck. Y'all tricking on this? I'm not tricking on no girl that got a face tat. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not tricking on no girl that got a face tat. She better wait for Halloween then. Yeah, bro, I'm not tricking on no girl with a face tat. Sorry. Together we could listen to Justin Bieber. My greatest strength, lying. Oh, she one of them toxic Latinas. And she got black Air Forces on?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, get her out of here. Get her out of here. No. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on. The moment I knew my modeling career was over. What is that? What do you mean? All I ask is that you want to get fly with me and have the same sense of humor. She's 5'7". She's a waitress. Oh, chat. Now, waitresses. Here's the thing about waitresses. If she's a waitress, unless it's at like, if she's a waitress at a normal place, you're good. But if she's a waitress at like Twin Peaks or something like that, you're clipped. It's clipped. It's over. GG's. It's not your girl. It's just your turn. But if she's a normal waitress at like TJI Fridays, then that's not bad. You know, she kind of looks like T Banks's girl, his ex, low key. Sheesh. They say shoot or shoot. I'm shooting. Bro says, Zooey mama. Who this? Hold on, we getting better elo? We getting better elo? My greatest strength is my ambition, whatever I set my mind to, I get it. I can respect that. She go to Notre Dame? Ooh, she might be smart. She actually might be smart. The fact that she got the sideways hat on is hilarious. Ty Kiera. I mean, she calm. She calm. Like, she calm. She calm. Like, now I'm running out of likes, so we gonna move. But oh, absolutely not. She went. I can already tell how she move. I'm gonna see her out next week at interviewing. She gonna leave with Zach. I'm cool off this. Nope. Des Monet. She gonna be wanting someone with some Monet. Oh yeah, nah. She one of those. She one of those. My love language is acts of service. Duh. That's called tricking. I know what that means. You want a trick. I know exactly what that means. There's a BBW. I don't say she BBW, but she thick. AZ, this about your speed. I'm weirdly attracted to glasses. I mean, hey, shoot. I ain't gonna say that. I'm just like it. And she gonna see. Dang, we had a likes. Bro, I feel like these segments be going by so fast. What the heck? Her name is Sativa? She ain't showing no types of body. Yeah, it makes sense. Sophia, we done seen her before, a little Bapiana. Madeline. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, no. Is that a cigarette? Ew. Ew. If you don't get that cancer stick out of your hand. That's disgusting. That's probably one of the biggest turnoffs for me. If you smoke cigs. Like, you can smoke anything else. Why are you smoking cigarettes? Out of all things. I don't know what's worse, that or vaping. Hell, bruh. Well, look, I think we still got a rose, chat. Standouts. Jarman. Ooh. She from Eastvale? My homie's from Eastvale. She's a toss-up, chat. Any girl from Eastvale is a toss-up. They could be either really solid or they could do you dirty. Like, that's a really toss-up. I bet you can't get me to go on a date with you. I want someone who's obsessed with me. One thing you should know about me is that I'm Drake to some, Future to others. What does that mean? So I'm guessing Drake means lover boy, lover girl, and Future means toxic. Bro, chat, it's always the ones that look good that are actually insane. Why is it always the best looking women are either crazy, have no morals, or absolute airheads? Like, you can't have the best of both worlds with these females. You can't. It's so difficult, bruh. It is so difficult to find a good looking woman that actually has like everything working upstairs. I'm still gonna shoot the shot though. She looked good. When someone's obsessed with me, one thing you should know about me is I'm Drake to some, Future to others. She cute. She look good. This my speed, chat. I like this. This is good player builds for me. I want to do something with this. I'm Drake to some, Future to others. I'm Drake to some, Future to others. Ooh, what if it's like... What if it's like, good thing I'm Chris Brown? What if it's like, good thing I'm Chris Brown? Cause either way we're featured together. Ooh, good thing I'm Chris Brown, cause either way we're featured together. You know what I'm saying? That Chris Brown and Future got features, right? They got songs together, right? Chris Brown, Future. They got songs together, right? Yeah, they got songs together. No, that's not a good shot. Good thing I'm Lil Wayne. Didn't Chris Brown beat multiple women? No, he only got into it with Rihanna. And that don't matter. Girls still want Chris Brown, even though that happened. So like, and I can tell you, this girl right here, she listened to Chris Brown. Good thing I'm Cardi. Yeah, y'all just don't want to win. Y'all don't want to see me win. You think this girl listened to Playboy Cardi? No, bruh. She listens to mainstream stuff. This is a mainstream woman. This is for sure a mainstream woman. Only one woman, LOL, I see you're gay. Only one woman, LOL, I see. Because he beat... No, he didn't beat Karrueche. No, he didn't. I mean, I don't think so. Does Future... Does Lil Wayne got songs with Future? Lil Wayne. Oh! He do. Okay, hold on. It was like, good thing Lil Wayne. Good thing I'm Lil Wayne. Either way, we're featured together. That's hey, I ain't gonna lie, but that's come on. Use Lil Wayne. I think Lil Wayne's better than Metro Boomin. I think Lil Wayne his better. Good thing I'm Lil Wayne. Either way, we're featured together. That's hard. That's hard, chat. That's hard. I'll shoot the shot. Paris. I'm not even tweaking on Paris. Marina. Oh, goodness. Why is it always blurry? Jeez Louise. Why is her nose so long? Nah, her face kind of looked like Squidward's house. Y'all know Squidward from SpongeBob? Doesn't her face kind of remind you of his house? Or am I tweaking? She gonna tell him to shut up and play some drums. Metro. Oh. T. She got food as her first picture. Michelle. Oh, she actually don't look bad. She got her nails done. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, that's one of these toxic Latinas. I see these type of Latinas all the time. Nope. I'm good. I'm good. Sadie. Yo, I interviewed her before. Yo, I've interviewed her before. I've dead interviewed her before. Nah, that's crazy. Dang, I wish I had more likes. I would like just for it because I've definitely interviewed. I've interviewed her before. I remember her. Goodness gracious, her head is fat. She got fat. Good, she a fan. She a fan. She a fan. She a fan. All right, chat W's.